I don't know if this is the consistency that it's supposed to be, but it said 1 part the cream and 2 parts the developer, and I think I did that, but I'm honestly not really sure. It stinks so bad. So basically it's itching pretty bad. But it's done, but I'm freaking scared because like this part is still dark, but this is completely light. So I keep pulling at it just in case. So I'm kind of scared that this part's gonna like burn off and the rest is gonna be dark.
What? No? Not by you? I ain't say that. No, you don't.